See what we got here. Aaron the Plumber. Supposedly it just say featuring. I know he's not fighting. Okay, I know he just a ref. But he was like some shit the last one. But this a part 2. I was supposed to watch the last one, but I just ended up not watching it. I guess I just felt it didn't need my energy. You feel me? So we gonna watch this one. Hey, it's a little short. I fuck with the length of the video, and y'all know I fuck with Aaron the Plumber. So hey, cause he be speaking real. He be standing on business. He just be standing on business trying to fight everybody and doing 20v1s and shit. Like y'all people how they doing the 20v1s now? Niggas is doing mashups and shit now. Like it's 3 niggas in one video. Like what the fuck is going on, bro? What the fuck? Why is it all these niggas in one video, bro? But hey, that 20v1 shit will never stop. Like I'm telling you, like that trending, niggas following the trends and niggas just recycling the same shit over and over again. That shit is boring. That shit is ass. But hey, whatever get the money on. Let's get into it. Y'all know I don't yap too much. I'm trying not to yap too much. We gonna analyze this bitch. I know I love boxing. You feel me? So grab your snacks, grab that spark that motherfucker.
What's good, YouTube? It's AB everybody. We back with another video. Last to get knocked out, part 2 featuring
Bradesky, Aaron the Plumber, man. You know what I'm saying? Put down the guns, come here, squabble up, man, like a real man. You know what I'm saying? They finna get jiggy in a real way, though.
last to get knocked out, part 2, you know? So look, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
I cannot take more serious sometimes, bro.
Subscribe or you ain't qualified, Bradesky.
All right, so let's get into it. We about to do the matchups.
It's like Aaron the Plumber. He be funny as shit, but it's like sometimes I can't even really be taking him serious because I know he just be like playing like his character just for the content. You know what I'm saying? Just for the video. You know what I'm saying? You got he playing his character or whatever. Man, what the fuck?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. They feel like, you know what I'm saying, they was ready to touch.
But ain't nowhere behind.
I don't think you ready. I'm ready to bump myself. They said you ready to bump. Look, canvas nigga. That's why you use look. How many?
We're going 3 rounds.
All right.
1 minute rounds.
1 minute round.
All right, and y'all go both get a.
Why do y'all think they there? Do y'all think they niggas? I mean, or they that's they niggas? Or do y'all think they just invited some random ass runners just to be in the background of the video? What do y'all think? Y'all
1 minute break after each round, all right?
All right. Hey, y'all touch gloves, man.
All up. All right, and we finna get this shit started. Let's go. Let's start it.
damn.
I told you Chinese.
Yeah, bro, I was trying to stab me on now. That's right.
All right, y'all ready? All right, let's get it. All right, let's get it. Seconds.
All right.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, round.
Ooh, you breathing hard, buddy. You got another 2 rounds, Keith. You better breathe, brother. You better breathe, brother. I don't need no mouthpiece.
Nah, for real. If y'all don't know already how I feel about boxing, bro, you just need the stamina, bro. You just need the stamina and know how to fucking fight, nigga. Simple as that. Like it's as simple as that, bro. And just make sure your eyes being balanced out with the swinging and blocking. You feel me? Cause bro, you don't want to do too much of either one. Your ass gonna be cooked. Okay. I'm talking like, yes, like even you sitting there blocking and sitting there like literally blocking, sitting there blocking, not getting no punches in for too long, bro. You're cooked, bro. Your opponent gonna have you, bro. Trust. Like he gonna break you somehow.
It fell on the floor.
We got another one.
No, I got new ones. I got.
Nah, it's bothering his breathing. It's bothering his breathing.
Come on, let's try it.
A minute, right?
Alright, look, hold on, y'all. Y'all still got 20 seconds, bro. Y'all too hype. Y'all too hype. Y'all need to.
Hey.
Y'all know each other or so?
Hey, no, I live for this shit. Come on, mama, come on.
Alright, hold on. 15 seconds, y'all. 15 seconds. Get it. Round 2.
Ready?
Touch gloves, touch gloves, touch gloves, touch gloves. Alright, let's get it.
Oh, so I'm tripping. Whole time I'm thinking my shit cutting out. I'm thinking, oh, my headphones cutting out, nigga. It's they weak ass audio, nigga. That shit on one side of the fucking ear, but yo, the shit, bro. That shit is annoying as hell, bro. I was tweaking. That shit got me tweaking. What the fuck? I think I gotta go get a new headset. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Bro, what the fuck?
We going. We live. Alright, here. Reach up.
Alright, come on, bro. Hey, I'm trying to get him, motherfucker. Hey, you weak as hell, boy. Hey, you weak as hell. Put your mouthpiece in.
I'm talking, they keep going in and out.
Y'all ready?
It must just be that camera over there.
17 points. Hey, talk with them hands. Talk with them hands. Okay.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Brian, the blue guy stopped dugging.
This is the last round. Round 3. This is the money round. All right. We got 1 minute. Round 3. Y'all go ahead and touch
Putting his
gloves.
head down.
Touch gloves. All right, let's start it. Let's get it.
That's the one that count, man.
Get in there.
Damn. Nah, he doing his ass bad. He getting get back though. He redeeming himself right there.
Break.
Why he keep putting his head down?
27 seconds. All right.
27, all right,
All right, let's get it.
8.
He just putting his head down with no like guard either. He just doing these. He just sitting there like these.
15 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
Damn.
Time.
That was a strong ass uppercut.
I think this was a hell of a fight. Very entertaining. You know what I'm saying? We're going to give it a birdie right here. It was a busier fight. Yes, in a real way, bro. We definitely did your big one right now.
All right, so let's get on to fight number 2. I want to see you.
Yeah, 28 much underscore. I'm 23. Yeah. You'll see.
You'll see. My boy, go ahead and introduce yourself to the camera.
I'm Jonathan, I'm 19. Yeah.
All right, Jonathan, he 19. You already know.
Put the guns down, man, and get jiggy, man. You know what I'm saying?
All right, y'all ready?
1 minute.
All right, let's up to the camera.
I'm Jonathan, I'm 19. Yeah.
All right, Jonathan, he 19. You already know.
Put the guns down, man, and get jiggy, man. You know what I'm saying?
All right, y'all ready?
1 minute.
Put the guns down and get jiggy, man.
Touch him up. touch him up. Let's touch him up. All right, let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah. Get the jab at it. Damn! Come on, come on. John, come forward now. Come forward now. Get him out of here. He don't even want to be here. Push him. Headgear. Yeah, definitely his headgear. Yeah, if you want to use this
headgear.
You want to use this one?
Put this one on.
That's way better. That's way better. Trust me. Motherfucking tight.
We got round 2, all right? Go ahead and touch gloves, man. Touch gloves so we can get the time started. All right, let's get it.
All right, 8. Don't wait, get busy, man.
Man,
You know how when you watch wrestling and they say, don't try this at home, these are trained professionals?
Yeah.
These niggas got experience. I'm not quitting. On one side we can get in there, but I'm saying, you feel me? You got oh yeah, I'm not throwing no excuses. I'm not throwing no excuses. I'm in there.
Real hard. We got 40 seconds left.
All right, bro. Somebody got to get bro mouthpiece.
It's the ref job. It's the ref job.
Significant bonus. Get a real way. That wasn't part of the contract, man. I can't pick up no mouthpiece.
Oh yeah, he got hard all day, for sure. Cause I wouldn't fight that.
He said you boxing straight shot.
Hell no, oh God, he finna, you know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get it, man. We got 40 seconds left.
Damn.
Don't stop.
We got 15 seconds.
Hey, it's the headgear, brother. It's the headgear.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round.
Good shit. He's there. He's gone. He's gone. You know what I'm saying?
Lock it happen in 5 seconds, like he said. Hey, you gotta give bro his, you know what I'm saying, his respect. He got heart. He ain't here to fight, you know what I'm saying?
Duck the page.
On my mama.
He ain't duck it, man. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Alright, so look. Round 3, alright? We got round 3. 1 minute. Go ahead and touch each other up for the last round. And we finna get into it. Alright, let's get it. Last minute. Clock ticking.
Hey, don't wait on him. Get busy. Don't wait on him.
Right above that lead.
Don't wait on
Right
him.
above that lead hand.
There you go! That was right on line.
Bro, that's the thing though. It's like bro just free firing. Like bro just bro just like he not even, you feel me? I feel me?
Right above that lead hand.
on
Right
him.
above that lead hand.
What the fuck is this? I mean, he did have him in the corner, but still. And he hitting them bitches too. Like, he bobblehead. Bong, bong, bong. He got the runners laughing at him.
Hey, hold on. We got 35 more seconds. Bro, you saving. You was saving.
Yeah.
I'm not stopping it no more. We got 35 seconds.
Somebody get hit. All he, wait. No,
Man,
go.
it's him.
Keep going, man. Take gas.
He don't want to pay that beta for you.
Man, I'm not stopping. parlay is, man.
You trying to leave him stinking,
All right, look, we finna get into it, man. We got 35 seconds left.
No, you got it.
Oh, you got it?
Y'all niggas professional. Y'all know y'all not professional. No. That's not
Huh?
Hey, we professional.
Oh man, no. I just got my hair cut in fucking Orlando. I did a show out there, bro. Got my shit fucked up, nigga. Hairline, fuck hell yeah, bro. I mean, getting there ready to sock bro out in that motherfucker. Oh God, they're like, you hear me? I'm calling the police. Yeah, bitch ass shit on my mama, bro. That shit had me mad in the motherfucker.
Name Dede
Don't drop them
from California, 27.
In a real way.
All right, my name is Jalen. I'm from Vegas, and I've been in Boston for about like 5 months.
Okay, there we go. All right, let's get into it, man. Like we say, we only touching gloves the first round. After that, protect yourself at all times, all right?
All times, man. If he ain't busy, you know what I'm saying, he walking around, get on his noggin, man.
All right, so go ahead and touch him up. All right, we start. Let's get it. Clock ticking.
I'll tell you about that. You got a strong ass kid. Worry about that team, baby. Every time. And he almost hit me.
Staying busy.
I was gonna get my dumb ass hit. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round. Good work. Make sure you get that water.
You need water for that? That don't look like you need water.
Yeah. Go.
All right, let's get it. Round 2.
Body.
Good.
Man, stop with all the passive aggressiveness. Get him up out of there.
Go to the body.
All right, top rank. Come on, man. Show him why it's top rank.
I'm trying to see what top is.
There you go. Stay back, just like that. Don't lean forward.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round.
Good shit.
Stop leaning forward. Let's get into it, man. Round 3. You finna start, all right? Let's get it. Y'all already 10 seconds in. 5 more of them, y'all done.
There you go.
Bomb break. Sit up. Nah, let him go.
That looked a little bit Ryan Garcia-ish.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
He glazing.
All right.
He's toying with you.
20 seconds. 15 seconds. Just don't move. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. What happened to Samuel, man?
Mama's, he's striking back. I'm watching him.
That was 3. That was round 3, man. So
Yeah, that was good shit, but I just think that last one, that did it, man. Good shit, bro. In a real way. Good shit.
In a real way.
let's get into it, man. Let's get into it.
Trying to get to the bag, man.
All right, let's get it. Round one.
Top bottom.
Damn. Wait, we just saw these niggas fight, right? Rematch.
30 seconds in. 30 seconds in. Don't stay in front of me, though. I mean, move around. Keep your feet running. You know what I'm saying? Keep your feet moving. There you go.
Mm.
15 seconds. Stay down there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
All right. Good shit. Good shit. Put your hand on your nails like that so you can breathe, bro. You done?
Nah, that's that solar flex, bro.
You done?
That nigga got them
17. So, I mean, man, let's get round two. Wait.
Hey, don't say that.
Nigga said that's that solar place. Oh God, he's striking that motherfucker. Y'all saw that? You gotta be in there with them body shots, nigga. Niggas a love to go to the head, but forget the body shots really be doing that damage and be getting stops too. No cap. Get that nigga in the gut. He's cooked. He's cooked. See, he's cooked. What I say? He's cooked. Y'all didn't see that shit? I'm talking bro was in there too, like with them bitches. I know y'all saw it, but like bro, we gotta play that bitch back, man. The way he was hitting them bitches was so precise. I saw all of them, nigga. It's coming up hot. That's one.
I mean, move around. Keep your feet running. You know what I'm saying? Keep your feet moving.
Just look, what? Look, there you go.
Yeah.
They saw him striking him too. You feel me? You feel me? That's how you supposed to get in there, nigga.
Work.
2.
His ass is probably breathing like I'm trying to. His ass probably gasping for fucking air. He faking it like he straight time going to the corner like nah, nigga. He gasping for air right now. He knocked the wind out that nigga.
What?
He a little nigga, but he got that power in him, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You can be big as shit, but nigga, that don't mean nothing.
Alright, so hold on. Alright, so look, this
Got that power in that skill.
Final match.
Final match of the day. Winner of this will be taking.
Not just the power, cause you can have the power and still be ass.
Make this one count. You know what I'm saying?
Who going home paid, bro? That's
Make this one count. All three.
Nah, don't do that to me.
But hey, also respect each other. You know what I'm saying?
Respect. Hey, don't hit me in the back of the head, bro. I don't want to be hurt.
Oh, this the final finale.
Already? Alright, let's touch them up. Alright, let's get it. Round
What y'all got? I got bro in the red. Bro in the black shorts. This nigga move like. Nah, see, I ain't gonna glaze. I'm not gonna glaze. That's glazing. That's how you supposed to move in the ring, nigga. That's how you supposed to move fighting in general, nigga.
Oh, get him in the corner. Get him in the corner. Oh, he's done.
Nigga, take notes. Don't glaze, nigga. Take notes, nigga. So you can just use this shit. You feel me? Go ahead, equip this shit to your arsenal, nigga.
Come on, top, right? Get
All right,
busy.
10 seconds. 9, 8,
Equip this nigga animations to your arsenal.
5, 4, 3.
Even the time, this nigga time.
All right, that's the first round in the books. First round in the books. I'll give it to you.
Nah, I can take somebody.
That's the thing. It's like niggas trying to move quick with him, or they trying to move like him, and he got control of this shit the whole time. Like nigga, this his shit. This his fight, nigga. You feel me? That's how you supposed to. That's how you supposed to. You know what I'm saying?
Just like that. Do it again.
Move like regarding mindset in the ring. You controlling that bitch.
Nope, keep the 3 going. Nope, keep busy. Stay busy.
15 seconds.
Stay busy.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Trying to break my ass, boy. Come on. You gonna see his legs.
Oh, shoot.
Don't worry about it.
All right.
Come on, bro. It's been a minute, bro. Let's start the time, bro.
Ready? Let's get
I ain't
it.
getting a coach over there.
Let's get it.
Oh, he got some shit in his nose. That man got a blade nose. Damn, damn.
What, nigga? It's the other side, P. Nigga, I'm trying to tell you, bro.
Nigga's so quick.
Man, how much time left?
That's how you gotta have them shits come on quick. That's really a way you can practice that shit. Just
I don't give a fuck about none of that. I didn't have blood.
All right, 30 seconds. Let's get it. It's the last round. 30 seconds.
Oh God.
Fifteen seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, he almost failed. He did though.
Last to get knocked out.
Oh, that was a good ass.
We got the winner right here, all right? This my boy. This the winner. You know what I'm saying? He put in good work. All that, you know what I'm saying? And go ahead and give me your IG and shit, you know?
My Instagram is HotBoyBank. It's spelled HOTBOYDANKK, 2K. Shout out to.
What's that shit in his mouth?
Hey, in a real way.
Shout out to AB Hardbody. I better start.
Oh.
Shout out AB Hard Body, man. A lot of hard bodies came through, did their thing, man.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
You feel me?
In a real way, dog.
In a real way, you know what I'm
Hey, happy to
saying?
get that to my sister now.
And he just went home richer, looking richer, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hey, bro. Where you go?
Do me a favor, man. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button.
For sure, man. That shit was fire. That shit was fire. But it was fire. It was fire because bro stole the show. The little fast nigga. That nigga who won. That nigga, he crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Kind of remind me of me in the ring. No cap, no bullshit, no bullshit. But you should have definitely follow me on them socials over there. They should be over there somewhere. Not his socials, not them socials, nigga, but my socials, nigga. Go follow my socials, alright? The Twitch, the Instagram, as well as the TikTok. We active on the TikTok, y'all. We consistent on the TikTok, so y'all definitely stay active or stay tapped in over there, alright? Make sure that y'all send any suggested videos y'all want me to watch or music videos y'all want me to react to, alright? And I will react to it. Send it to those socials, or y'all can comment down below and send that link, and I'll peep it. Man, y'all make sure to have a blessed one. This shit was smooth as hell in a real way though.